The tool that I chose was Make Believe Comix. It is a pretty cool website. One of my favorite things about it was it has a section over here for special needs. So it has autism and various learning disabilities. So there's accommodations and such in there. So how you create your own comic, you can see here. It can be used for all sorts of things. Some of the suggestions that they use are just introducing, talking about yourself. You can do it as like biographies, that sort of thing. It says it's great for students who have a hard time expressing themselves or something like that. And then it also is great to help students be able to, adapt and incorporate reading and writing. So to create your comic is really simple. You just click on, you just saw me, so we can name our comic. We're just going to name it Comic A for right now. And then you can see you can have up to 18 panels max. It starts you off with 3. And then down here you can choose, you have characters and mask, and then you have, if you want to add dialogue, there's greeting cards, words, and then just backgrounds and background colors. So we're just going to start with something real simple with adding a background color. We're just going to lighten that up a little, and we're going to go back. My computer's not the fastest, so okay. So we're just going to add a quick dialogue box here. I'm going to pick this one, and you can move it to wherever you would like. And in here, 3 things you should know about me. So we're just going to use this as just a quick introduction. So, and I'm just gonna play around with a couple things so you can see what it's like. And so 3 things you should know about me. So here's our backgrounds that we can pick, and you can do color, or you can do your classic black and white. We're just gonna be silly here. So 3 things you should know about me. And then again, if I wanna add in there, there's all kinds of dialogue boxes, and then just if you want to just add to be continued or what have you. So I am going to do this one and type in there. Most important thing about me is I have 3 daughters. Okay, and then over here, we're going to go back. We're going to play around with a couple more things. Maybe. All right. So we're going to pick a character. Here's the different characters. There's not a whole bunch. It's silly. Seems like maybe more for kids. You can see there's some like Abe Lincoln. I do wish there were some more options, but okay. So once you pick your character, you can pick a pose, so then you could continue with that character in the comic strip if you choose. So we're just gonna add this one. You see, it seems really easy. Then you could start over if you hated it. You can delete a whole thing if you want to. You can flip, you can put different characters. So let's pause this one. So you can save your comic. You can save it online. You can see it's saved. You do have to create an account It was really simple. It was just my email address and a password. You could also email the comic to yourself. You could print it. You can go back and edit, save it to a disk. I don't even know if people do that anymore. So that's that. It's pretty simple. So we could come back, we could work on it later, what have you. So that's Make Believe Comics. I'm excited to use this, and yeah, I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. Thanks for watching.